today's adventure, we are in the beautiful town of Bellagio on Lake Como. Got a few hours, so I'm going to wander around. Again, no maps, just check out what I could find, show you as much as I can, pictures of the lake, the streets, the hotels. So far it is pretty stunning. I think you'll enjoy it. If you do, please like and subscribe to our channel. Definitely leave us a comment, check out all our other videos, and I will catch up to you later. Bye-bye.
We drove to Bellagio from Como, parked our car here, and started walking. The waterfront in Bellagio is a bustling area with cafes, restaurants, and shops. Here we are taking a walk along the promenade to enjoy the views of the lake and the surrounding mountains. You can also take a boat ride on Lake Como and explore the entire area by water.
guys, I'm back again. I hope you enjoyed that brief little tour of Bellagio on Lake Como. We had limited time, so I was able to just walk as much as I could. A little bit restricted. We had a wheelchair, therefore we couldn't go up and down the cobblestone roads, but I hope we showed you enough so you can get a feel for the place. I could assure you there is a lot more to see and do here that we did not even scratch the surface. If you did like our video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Definitely leave a comment and check out all our other videos, and I will catch up to you next time. Bye bye.